All right, guys, check out what we just got today. This is the Goat Power Bikes Dirt Goat 96 volt V2. So it says all the improvements on it, including this bigger back tire. And guys, this is fat and meaty. I mean, this is the biggest back tire we've seen yet. So we are loving that. You also have turn signals in the back. We'll turn on the bike here so you can check out this display. Really cool logo there. So here is a nice, big display, very colorful. We'll turn on turn signals. You guys, check that out. There are none in the front, but we have a few connectors back there, and I'm not sure if we can plug some turn signals in, but we'll see what we can do with that. There is a blue connector too. So if you guys know anything about that, let us know. You look, you also get the KKE suspension in the back there. I believe that is new as well. But guys, this is a really well-made bike. The seat is super comfy. And guys, that tail light is pretty bright. Here are the other buttons here. Here are your other controls, your upgraded buttons. You have the power up and power down. You have your horn, which is not really that loud, to be honest. You have the reverse button, but these are really quality switches. The grips move a lot, and they are all the way on there, but these are moving a lot. Here is your headlight, high beam and low beam, and also your headlight switch. So you can turn that on and off. A lot of bikes, you have to buy that accessory, install it, but it's nice to see that it's on this bike. You have your full twist throttle here and your brakes. You guys check out these beefy brakes too. They have heat sinks on them, which is really cool. So those should work really well. You have your upgraded KKE front forks. Guys, these are beefy. Definitely love to see that. Here's your chunky front tire. Now here is the upgraded headlight. Let's see if we can see that a little bit better. There's your low beam. There is the high beam. We love this number plate here. Super cool. And guys, you also get the riser bars too, which we love. You know, we always upgrade our bars on these bikes. So it's nice to see that Goat Power Bikes is listening to feedback and stuff. I believe this is the first video on the Dirt Goat V2. But guys, really excited to get a full review on here, take it out, and see what it can do. I think slapping a big supermoto tire set on here would be awesome. And 50 amp hour battery, guys, really awesome. This thing is going to have crazy range, especially if all the numbers match up. But guys, again, if you want to see anything special or anything specific about the bike, let us know. We can also save you 5% off your order for this bike, which is a big chunk of change, by using code EASYHEIMER. And that code EASYHEIMER works for any of the Goat Power bikes. If you guys have any questions, let us know. But super excited to get on this beast.